Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for taking the time out and coming here for this very special occasion. I want to thank, in no particular order, Sajid, Imtiaz, Tripti, Avinash, and Preeti for coming here, just now taking the time out for this new initiative that we have launched, which is bringing some classics back onto the big screen. And I just can't tell you how happy I am because it shows two things. One, that despite everything that has happened after COVID, and despite these movies being available on all sorts of platforms for a fraction of an amount, yet people, Indian moviegoer, is just incredible, insatiable appetite it has to go out and watch movies on the big screen. And that's what makes whatever we've done over the last 34 years at least worthwhile.
It's a dream come true moment for all of us over here, and this just strengthens our belief in the audience, which Ajay says wants to come and watch films on the big screen primarily, and it's just overwhelming to be here. Imagine a movie that doesn't do well and is pulled down from the theaters within a week. 6 years later is brought back. Not because we wanted it, because we would have wanted it to run for many weeks right in the beginning, but because of two things. And the larger thing is the love and the voice of the people. The audience of the country is also finding out ways of being heard. This is one such thing, where they say that if they want to watch a certain film, which as Ajay said is available already in OTT, etc., but if they want to see it on the big screen, they will damn well get it back. And that is what has happened. Cinema lives on forever. And the second critical component over here is PVR and Ajay's vision. And his love, your love, sir, for cinema itself, which drove you in the first place to come out with the PVR chain and theaters 34 years back. 34 has it been? Yes. So they provided and they kept these movies alive in their hearts and their minds.
Seriously overwhelmed. This is something that none of us expected to be sitting here today. And I don't know how much, what I can say on this day. As I sit here, I feel that the public has already spoken for us. And as I sit here today, I feel zero ownership of this film. I think it belongs to the people. And thank you so much to the people to drive it back to the theaters and to give us this opportunity to watch it again.
Was taken by Balaji. So my really heartfelt gratitude to Ekta for showing some trust when we wanted to make the film. And today I'm really overwhelmed that this film is coming after 6 years again to theaters. All thanks to the love that the audiences have shown in the last 6 years into making this film into a cult. And thanks to Mr. Ajay Bijli for having this platform where we can bring the film back in big screens, launching such, things. And also, I didn't get the opportunity to thank my actors 6 years back. Thank you so much for your brilliant performances. Thank you, Imtiaz, for presenting the film. Thank you, Sajid, for making this film the way it is right now and having it to drive it to where it is right now. Thank you so much.
Well, it's a very special moment for all of us sitting here. I feel it's been 6 years to the release of Laila Majnu, and आज जब मैं बाहर खड़ी थी सबके साथ, I think this was something that we did long back when our trailer was releasing. We had the same butterflies in our stomachs, and we have the same level of nervousness, same level of excitement, and this is just a very special feeling, I would say. And 6 साल हो गए हैं फिल्म को, but मैं बहुत बार बता चुकी हूँ ये बात साजिद सर को, वो मुझ पे विश्वास नहीं करते थे पहले कि आज तक एक भी दिन ऐसा नहीं गया है, नॉट इवन अ सिंगल डे वेयर आई हैवंट रिसीव्ड अ मैसेज on my Instagram or Facebook for Laila Majnu. I mean, the kind of love that we've received for this film is
amazing.
Yeah, it's amazing. And जब हमने अनाउंस किया था एक्चुअली कि कश्मीर में फिल्म वापस रिलीज हो रही है, तो मुझे इतने सारे मैसेजेस आए फ्रॉम पीपल कि यार व्हाई नॉट इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया, व्हाई नॉट इन लंदन, व्हाई नॉट इन दिल्ली, बॉम्बे. एंड जब मैंने कल पोस्ट डाला कि अब इट्स रिलीजिंग ऑल ओवर इंडिया, everybody is just extremely happy, and I think this is only possible because of their love. So I want to thank the audiences first, and then thank my entire team for making a film like this, because it is something that will always hold a very special place in my heart.
I still remember when the film released, Imtiaz sir said that a film is for life, and if it is any good, it will keep finding its audience. When he said that, I did not want to believe it, because मेरी फिल्म तो नहीं चल रही है ना थिएटर में. But over the past 6 years, the amount of love and credibility that we have earned from the film, the love that we've received from the audience, there's this constant feeling that they wanted to go out and scream to the world. For those who had seen it, they wanted to really scream into the world and say, please watch this film, this is something beautiful, something brilliant. And they've been screaming this for the longest period. And finally, I think we have PVR Inox, who actually is listening to you, who is listening to the audience. And it's time now that you are heard, so keep your voices up. Make sure that you keep raising it, because there's someone listening to you. But thank you so much for making this happen. This is an incredible feeling. Like I keep saying, the third day when I went with my family to watch this film, the posters were being pulled down. To going to Srinagar, a release happening. I think it's still running houseful there. I see houseful on major screens here in Bombay. I think it's going to happen all over the country. All I can say is thanks. I just want to thank everyone here, and it's a great feeling. Thank you.
Ajay sir, before I shoot out a question to you right now, I just want to share this experience. Yesterday I got a call for hosting this event, and I mean, it's a coincidence that I was in Kashmir for the last 7 days. Alright, I went to Srinagar, I went to Gulmarg, I went with my family, and the last one which I did is Belgaum. And yesterday I was just getting boarding on the flight, and I got a call to host this event. So it's such a coincidence that when honestly I saw the trailer yesterday. I had not seen the movie before, but I saw the movie yesterday, and I said, wow, I mean Kashmir, and I got this call. So it's such a lovely coincidence that I'm hosting the show today. So just wanted to share that, right sir? And so Ajay sir, yeah. Thank you. Oh, all right. My pleasure, sir.
अगर आप ये वीडियो YouTube पर देख रहे हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबाना ना भूलें. अगर आप Facebook पर ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं तो हमारे पेज को लाइक करें.